Hello everyone and welcome back. Let's develop our English even more today with 4 phrasal verbs for the commonly used verb see. Shall we? So if you're interested, just stick together and hopefully it will come in handy for both you and me. With this said, let's get right in, but not before you press the subscribe button down below with notifications so you don't miss a lesson. The first one that we're going to do is to see somebody out, to see out. Say it with me. Very good. So make sure you do the linking part, which is the most interesting and of course may sometimes challenging, but will give you that nice accent. So see out, see out. This means that you accompany somebody to the front door, like a guest when they're leaving, right? So my example here is, I won't see you out this time. Do you mind? I'm not feeling my best. I won't see you out. So this is something you might say to a guest upon departure, yeah, upon leaving. What is your example? Be sure to leave it here so you can further practice. The next one is see off, see off. And it means to, again, accompany somebody to the place from which they are leaving, like usually for a longer time. And the place might be the station, the train station, or the airport. So it implies a longer absence, and this means that you aren't going to see them for a longer period of time, okay? So my example here is, whenever I have to see my dad off, I'd rather stay at home. You know, goodbyes are always hard. Now, time to go to the next one, which is see through. See through. Mind the pronunciation of this challenging preposition, through. You're gonna bring it off finally. Good job. So to see through has several meanings, so we're going to stay a little longer with this one so we can get to, round off our knowledge of the see through phrasal verb. So the first one is, when you see through someone or something, is when you get to realize the truth about someone or something, because it isn't how you had initially thought of them and their real intentions weren't the good ones, all right? So let's see an example. We were going to spend our holiday together, but we saw through their plans and gave it all up. So it means that they weren't honest. The people that we were going to go with to spend our vacation with weren't honest. Their intentions weren't honest. So we just saw through them. Yeah, we saw through these people, like we just instantly realized that they weren't honest with us, or we just saw through their intentions. Their intentions weren't the best ones. Okay? One very important mention here with the see through something or someone phrasal verb is the way that you're using the preposition. The preposition and its direct object, which in this case makes it inseparable. Why inseparable? Because you just can't use the direct object, him or her or their plans or intentions, right in between the verb and the preposition. So you can only say you see through him, you see through her, you realize what a liar she was, or you just see through their plans. Yeah, you realize that they aren't real about their plans. So this makes this phrasal verb inseparable, okay? Well, this leads me to the second meaning of this phrasal verb, case in which it is inseparable this time because the direct object goes right between see and through. So the next meaning, to see something through, means, so see how I've inserted the direct object right between the verb and the preposition, means to continue to do something until it's finished, even if it's very difficult. So my example here is, with some application processes, even if it takes so long and it gets really tiring, quite exhausting, I should say, you just want to see it through, right? So you want to see it through, like you want to see it completed. So many people won't stop with their application, for example, with the online applications with universities. The students won't stop until they see it all through. They see it through until it's all done, until the whole application process is completed. What is your example? In this case, make sure you make a clear distinction between the two. You see through something and you see something through. Yeah, great attention to these two, the inseparable phrasal verb, see through, and the separable phrasal verb, and drop them down, your examples right here. Wait, we're still not done with see-through because there's one more here. A see-through material is some kind of material, not very good quality, that you can literally see through. Like you can see, the body underneath. So it is a see-through material. It is transparent or almost transparent. So my example is, I can't wear this blouse to the ceremony because it is see-through. So it's not good quality. It's not the appropriate type of garment. So see-through. See it yourself and be sure to make up your own example. Finally, we've come to our last phrasal verb with see, which is to see to something. You see to something, which means to deal with something or tend to something. So my example here is the following one. Our printer is getting our sheet stained, so I'll just have to get somebody to see to it. So the person that is coming to see to it will just deal with it, will just fix it or repair it. Yeah, they will see to it, they will repair it, they will see what the problem is. And we're done. I hope this lesson has come in handy for you and you've managed to pick up a little bit more English. And also you're going to put everything into practice, because this is how you're going to grow your English and, of course, yourself grow as a person on your English journey. Thank you so much for making it to the end of my lesson, and I'll see you again next time as well. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye for now. Today I am bringing you a lesson with the four.